Hello YouTubers, this is Mike in Pittsburgh, Tachyon Time Lord. This is Matthew. Matthew isn't doing exactly what the model said. No, Matthew was supposed to have been up here, hitting Jamaica, and then whapping Cuba tonight. Or, Sunday into Monday. So, but it hasn't. And if anybody's curious, this is why. And go back and look at the other video where I was showing the projected 250 millibar 6 mile up jet stream. And those ones are going whip, whip, whip. But today, that's not what they're doing. At least not yet. No, the reason Matthew is stalled is because jet stream winds are going to the east, right over top of it, right into it, as a matter of fact, and there's nowhere to go. It's just going to be sheared off. So it is interesting. We'll back out a little bit, look at the bigger picture. You've got the super pressure cell here, pulling winds in, and then a clockwise circulation, another clockwise circulation. Everything looks good at 3 miles out. Not to flow northward, but to flow westerly. It could be pushing off. Even at 2 miles up, the flow is strongly westerly. One mile up, of course, the flow is strongly westerly. And you'd expect this cookie to be booking along. Like I said, it looks like it should be down here and hitting this, Central America. Why is it not doing that? This is why it's not doing that. The upper level jet stream, which the geoengineers are controlling, is impeding it. No, it won't be on this map. I'll have to go get a picture of it. Do this. Wonder how much this will show. Let's do the visible loop. That's pretty good, isn't it? You can see some of the clouds up here that are being taken off by the jet stream and being blown away. You can actually see some clouds here they're coming up and they're getting popped off. So I can't tell. This is like a 3-hour loop. And so for 3 hours, this barely moves. It's stationary. And that's because whereas models had shown a jet stream going northwards, it has not been made to happen. In fact, if anything, this jet stream is dipping down here, and it's impeding it. I think it had showed it going like that before, but that's not happened. The jet stream, in fact, is running right into it, and that is what is stopping Matthew. And we'll, let's just have some fun. Let's see what it's projecting. We'll go 3 hours. 3 hours. It doesn't move. Another 3 hours. It hasn't moved. 9 hours. It hasn't moved. 12 hours. It really hasn't moved. It's moved maybe 100 miles. Now this is starting to go northerly. 12 hours. It's going to sit there for 12 hours. 15 hours. Okay, and then it's starting its northerly wind or northerly move. 15 hours. 18 hours. 21 hours. In another day, it's going to do that. So in a day, it's projected to move northwest by that much. Let's just walk it through another day. 3 hours. It's picking up speed. 6 hours. 9 hours. 12 hours. 15 hours. 18 hours. 21 hours. Okay, so in 2 days, it is Saturday at 4:30 p.m. Sunday, Monday. Now Monday it's supposed to be here, where earlier this model was showing it hitting this Sunday night and, you know, in the wee hours, you know, Sunday at midnight going over here. Now this is Monday. Now, finally, look what had to happen to do that. You had to produce this jet stream. What's producing this jet stream? The storms coming here, flowing this way. No known force of nature, that's for sure. Some force of man, perhaps. That's 2 days. No, let's just go 3 days. So it's really, this is going to be like one of the slowest moving storms. It's 3 days sitting here is what they're projecting. 3 days. 3 days with a hurricane. You know, a day with a hurricane sitting over you, that's going to be real fun. Let's just do another day. 4 days. And then there's no more data. No, I'm surprised. So it's projecting it. If you drew a straight line, wow, it's going to go straight up and along the islands. It's going to do some damage. And it's sure nice that it's got this jet stream northerly projecting wind that emanates out of where? I guess it picks this up. It's neat that all this is going the other way, but this goes north. Okay, so that is it. Back to now. Here's Matthew. It ain't going anywhere because the jet stream at 250 millibars is right at it. If we project 1 day ahead, it's going to move northwest. 1 day. 2 days. So Monday at 4, it's going to be sitting here off of Jamaica, over here. Tuesday, it's projected to, from Monday to Tuesday, to pass over Cuba. Tuesday to Wednesday, it's going to go up to the islands. And that is all the data we wrote. Okay, but that's it. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. It'll be interesting to see in a couple days if these predictions come true. I am Tachyon Time Lord, Mike in Pittsburgh. This is your Conspiracy Weather Watcher. Have a nice weekend.